Hello students, this is Lata Narwani from Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Children, hope you all are fine. You are staying at home and frequently washing your hands. Take care, be safe. Okay. So, last turn we had discussed about different types of chemical reactions. Displacement, double displacement, decomposition, combination. Today we'll discuss new type of reactions, that is oxidation reduction reactions. Now, what is oxidation? As you can understand, oxidation means addition of oxygen to a substance is called oxidation, or removal of hydrogen is also called oxidation. There are two substances, oxygen and hydrogen. So either oxygen is added or hydrogen is removed from a substance. या तो ऑक्सीजन जुड़ जाए और या हाइड्रोजन निकल जाए, दोनों ही केस में दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑक्सीडेशन. उस सब्सटेंस का ऑक्सीडेशन हुआ. एग्जाम्पल्स, फर्स्ट इज Na plus O2 gives Na2O, means sodium reacts with oxygen, forms sodium oxide. Here sodium is adding oxygen to itself and gets converted to sodium oxide. So sodium is oxidized. Sodium is oxidized to sodium oxide, Na2O. Similarly, Mg plus O2 gives MgO, means magnesium is adding oxygen to itself and getting converted into magnesium oxide, MgO. So here magnesium is oxidized. मैग्नीशियम में ऑक्सीजन जुड़ गई तो मैग्नीशियम का ऑक्सीडेशन हो गया. Now other examples where hydrogen is removed. Let us see those examples. So first, H2S plus O2 gives 2H2O plus 2S. So here from H2S hydrogen is removed and it has changed to sulfur S. H2S में से हाइड्रोजन निकली तभी वो सल्फर में बदल गया, S में बदल गया. Second, H2S plus Cl2 gives HCl plus S. Again H2S has removed hydrogen from itself and changed to sulfur. So in both these equations, hydrogen has been removed from H2S, from hydrogen sulfide, and it has changed to sulfur. So these are the examples where oxidation is taking place by removal of hydrogen. Now what is reduction reactions? What is reduction? Reduction means addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. This is just the reverse of oxidation. Here either hydrogen is added to a substance or oxygen is removed. So first example where hydrogen is added, sulfur plus hydrogen gives H2S, hydrogen sulfide. Chlorine plus hydrogen gives HCl, hydrogen chloride. Oxygen plus hydrogen gives H2O. So in all these equations hydrogen is added, so their reduction is taking place. Another examples where oxygen is removed. So first CuO plus H2 gives Cu plus H2O, ZnO plus H2 gives Zn plus H2O, then ZnO plus C gives Zn plus Co. In all these examples, फ्रॉम ऑक्साइड CuO ZnO में से O निकल रही है, Cu और Zn बन जा रहा है. तो रिमूवल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन हेयर ऑल्सो CuO इज ऑक्सीडाइज्ड और ZnO इज it is reduction. CuO is reduced to Cu or ZnO is reduced to Zn because removal of oxygen has taken place. Now there are two terms, oxidizing agent and reducing agent. What is oxidizing agent? It is a substance which gives oxygen to other substance for oxidation, और इट रिमूव्स हाइड्रोजन एंड कॉजेज ऑक्सीडेशन। या तो ये ऑक्सीजन देता है या हाइड्रोजन को छीन लेता है। So let us see these examples. CuO plus H2 gives Cu plus H2O. In this example, CuO is an oxidizing agent because it is giving oxygen to H2. ये अपने ऑक्सीजन को निकाल के किसको दे रहा है? हाइड्रोजन को दे रहा है, तो H2O बन जा रहा है। तो ये दूसरे को ऑक्सीडाइज कर रहा है। CuO इज ऑक्सीडाइजिंग हाइड्रोजन एंड चेंजिंग इट इनटू H2O। खुद ये रिड्यूस हुआ, CuO का खुद का रिडक्शन हुआ, इट हैज़ चेंज टू Cu, बट इट हैज़ ऑक्सीडाइज्ड हाइड्रोजन इनटू H2O। Similarly, Fe2O3 plus CO gives Fe plus CO2. Here Fe2O3 is oxidizing agent because it is giving its oxygen to the other substance CO. इसने अपने में से ऑक्सीजन निकाली, CO को दे दी जो CO2 में बदल गया। So Fe2O3 is oxidizing agent. It is removing oxygen from itself. So itself it is getting reduced. खुद ये रिड्यूस हुआ Fe में, पर दूसरे को इसने ऑक्सीडाइज किया। किसको ऑक्सीडाइज किया? CO को। तो CO जो है वो CO2 में बदल गया। So both these are oxidizing agents. The substance which itself reduces is called oxidizing agent. Now what is reducing agent? Reducing agent just reverse. It is a substance which gives hydrogen or removes oxygen from a compound and causes reduction of other substance. Same examples we are taking. CuO plus H2 gives Cu plus H2O. इसमें हाइड्रोजन रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट है। एज CuO was ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट, तो हाइड्रोजन क्या हो जाएगा? ये रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट हो जाएगा, ये ऑक्सीजन को छीन लेता है इधर से। सिमिलरली इन Fe2O3 plus CO, Fe2O3 just now we read it was oxidizing agent, then CO is the reducing agent because it takes away oxygen from Fe2O3. So reducing agent is a substance which itself gets oxidized, and oxidizing agent is a substance which itself gets reduced. Now electronic concept of oxidation and reduction is very simple. Electron concept में oxidation is loss of electron, जिसमें से निकल जाए इलेक्ट्रॉन। Na माइनस इलेक्ट्रॉन गिव्स Na प्लस, Fe minus 2 electrons give Fe2 plus, Mg minus 2 electrons give Mg2 plus. So loss of electron, ox and loss. Loss is oxidation, and gain of electrons or addition of electrons is reduction. Add and read. Addition is reduction. Addition of electrons is reduction. Like Cl plus electron gives Cl minus, S plus 2 electrons, S2 minus sulfide ion, oxygen plus 2 electrons, oxide ion, O2 minus. So please revise all the topics, children. Thank you.